Right, this is my unboxing and review of a Dewalt DCV582 wet and dry vac. Let's have a look, see what's inside the box. There you go, that's the instructions and an exploded map of the parts. Big manual because it's got all sorts of languages in it. There you go, that's everything. And we've got some sort of adapter there as well in the box, that was loose. And that's the main unit there. Now, first thing, really nice chunky handle. All stays in one place. Now you've got with this vac, you've got mains power if you need it, or you've got an area for a battery to go in. Now I've got a battery over here. I've got 5 amp hour, 4 and a couple of 2s to use, so that's all charged up. So we'll after we've finished having a look at it, we'll power it up and see how it goes. So on the top here, in the handle, you've got an attachment there. And there you go. So that's quite a nice neat stowage for that one. Keeps everything all on board. And around here you've got another one. It's your flat one there. Goes on there. That's your main lead there. All stows nicely away. It stretches out quite nicely as well, so it looks quite short there, but it does, I'd say, it does extend probably 3 times the length of that. So and that's without really sort of straining it. So that looks quite cool. So look here. Right. See here, if you can see there. That is the vacuum side of it, and it also does blowing as well. So that side, you just take the pipe out, replace it into that one, and you've got a tiny blower so you can blow dust away and things like that. And then when you want to get it off the floor, what have you, take it out of there, back into this one, and you're back onto Hoover mode, which is cool. Under the handle there, that's the on and off button there. And obviously your nice neat stowage for your mains lead, which is really good having the 2 choices. So it means that if you're somewhere where there's no power, you know, or there's no more space on the extensions, things like that, you can just put one of your batteries on it and away you go. Let's have a look inside. There you go, it's nice and lightweight as well, and there's your filter. And I believe that is, you can leave that one on, and it's for wet and dry use, and it's a bayonet fitting. Back on again, just like that. And that's the bottom section, and according to the box that holds 7.5 litres. and just whack that back on. It's easy to see which side to put it on, because one side's got the cut out for that section there where the battery goes on, the other one's got the little cut out for that piece there to go down. So straight on, no messing about. Got 2 clips, one each side, and you're ready to go. Right, let's put a battery on it, see what it sounds like. That's on there nicely. All it is, you just slide it straight on, no effort at all, push it down and it's on. There we go, so that's that on and off. Let's have a look and see if I can pick something up with this. Right, might be able to see there's a little bit of dust over by my voice there, not much. There you go. That's cleared it up nice, that's got all the loose stuff away. So that's good. But it says the weight of it on the box, it says it's 4.5 kilos, so it's quite nice and light. The hose there is supposed to be 1.5 meters. Then you've got the option of your battery power or mains. I'll just plug it in and just give that one a go, because when I'm unboxing this, I've never actually used this before, it's only just come through the post. So yep. So, I can feel it glowing there as well, so all you do is just take it off, put it on there, and that's it. There you go, so that's nice and easy to put away. Got another extension, you've got a bit there, put on if you need it for, I suppose that's for plugging onto other tools, things like that. You know, where you got your cutters and your sanders and things like that, so I assume you just put that end there, and then that end will connect onto your other little power tools. But can't wait to give it a go. As you can see, I've got sort of slightly dirty hands at the minute because I'm doing a couple of jobs on the car, and it's going to be my first test of the wet and dry vac, because I'm going to try it on, I'm going to clean out the airbox on my Corsa. It's got a lot of leaves and rubbish in the bottom of it, and I'm just about to install a new air filter, so I'm going to give that a quick clean, just being nice and diligent, make sure there's no rubbish to get sucked straight up. And we're going to try and clean out some leaves from under the grille with it. There's also some water in the cabin down by the footwells, so I'm going to try and I'm going to see if it sucks up any water. I'm hoping to dry the carpets out because it's got a little bit of a leak. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll film what I'm doing, and hopefully we'll come to the conclusion it's a really good vac, and I paid me £150, something like that for it. Hopefully it's worth every penny. Right, that's the unboxing and simple demonstration of the Dewalt DCV582. Yeah, here we are, car engine bay, and there's the new filter that's going in, and there's the bottom of the air box there. You can see there's a lot of rubbish. So let's get the hoover on that, see what it does. because it's so light, it's fallen over and it's sucked the ball up, so we're going to have to stop it and start it again. Right, start again now. Right, that's that done. And now on to this. You can see down there, there's lots of rubbish down there. So I'm going to try and hoover that lot out and see how we do. Right, that's that all done, all nice. Let's try under the driver's footwell, see if we can get any water up. Anyone with a Corsa knows that these leak like bitches. Anyone with a Corsa knows that these leak. Now if you look down there, I don't know if you'll be able to see the water there. See the water coming up there. Now I'm going to see if Hoover can get rid of any of that water. Let's give it a go. Dewalt DCV582. There we go, so that's the end of my little test. When I went out there I did use a 2 amp hour battery. It was fully charged. Probably used it for about 10 minutes. And I've got 1 bar left. Now I've not run it completely down, but 10 minutes out of a 2 amp hour battery, I think that's quite good really. Now what I was really interested was to see how much water I'd get out. Now I did a couple more minutes after the filming outside with the car, but I think what would illustrate it better is if I showed you how much was inside there. Now that's been sucked through the carpet. All that water has been sucked through the carpet, it's not come from anywhere else. So I've got that much less water to contend with when I start drying the car out, which I think is brilliant. And it's mixed up with a few leaves, which I think is quite good. You can just swap from one to the other, so you can go wet vac, dry vac, wet vac, dry vac, whenever you like. without having to mess around with any filters, anything like that. And I'm pretty certain the filter's washable, so if it does get dirty, just give it a rinse and whack it back on, the way you go. If you do break it or what have you, or it falls apart, I'm sure you can get spares online quite easily. So that my Dewalt DCV582 wet and dry vac. And that's UK Tool Reviews signing off.